Humans have long sought to make tasks faster and easier. Much of our production and manufacturing is carried out by machines that can be operated by humans or controlled by computers. Artificial intelligence is the field of computer science that goes beyond just telling the machine what to do, into creating programs that think like humans. The computer can then plan, make decisions, solve problems for us. For example, when we use a smartphone to plan a journey based on parameters, we give it the idea where we want to go. We may make a wrong turn, so the software has to recalculate the route using its knowledge of past journeys and previous maps. AI is a part of our daily lives. It gathers data on our previous actions and habits to give us what it thinks we need or want. What we often consider the algorithm is actually AI. For example, post and advertisement on social media sites which are most relevant to our interest. It's also being used to advance other areas of science such as healthcare. Physicians use AI to manage, cure and prevent medical conditions. Although AI is not yet perfect, neither are humans. Our decision abilities also require time to improve. AI is an exciting field to watch and explore. As it continues to develop, we may see many new and interesting applications of this technology.